This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies right on your stovetop. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, like rich cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. Make sure you have a reliable, heat-safe pan and a sturdy whisk ready. For the best results, it's helpful to have all your ingredients at room temperature before you begin. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and consistent batter. Next, we'll begin the cooking process by gently melting your butter and chocolate together. Use a low heat setting to avoid burning and stir continuously until the mixture is smooth and glossy. This step is crucial for achieving that rich, fudgy texture. Once everything is beautifully combined and free of lumps, take your pan off the heat. This prevents overcooking and prepares the base for our next additions. Now it's time to build on our delicious base. Gradually add your sugar, eggs, and a splash of vanilla extract, mixing them in thoroughly. Then, gently fold in your dry ingredients: the flour, additional cocoa powder for extra depth, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Remember, mix until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough brownies, and we want them perfectly tender and fudgy. For the final cooking stage, return your batter to low heat and stir constantly for about 10 minutes. This gentle cooking helps thicken the mixture without baking it. Once it reaches a pudding-like consistency, pour the warm batter into a prepared pan. The most challenging part is waiting, but it's essential to let your brownies cool completely before cutting them. This ensures they set properly and are perfectly fudgy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.